I'm joined by Ash from AT4 Wireless. Ash, tell me about AT4 Wireless.
Test and certification company. We provide certification and compliance for any wireless technology that goes inside a car. It could be LTE, it could be Bluetooth, it could be Wi-Fi. We do it for CE marking in Europe, FCC in America, and cover 180 countries across the globe for local certification and compliance.
So talk to me specifically about what you mean by testing and compliance here. We're talking about connectivity, we're talking about making sure that cars are cyber secure and so on?
That's correct. It's all of these things, I would say. So when we say certification and compliance, we cover the regulations laid out by European Union or the American government. We test for the local standards to different countries. So that's one part of certification and compliance. We provide industry certification as well. For example, LTE modules or 3G, they are governed by PTCRB in America and GCF in Europe. So we do testing to the standards laid by these industries. We are a Bluetooth qualification lab, so Bluetooth SIG, protocol testing, RF testing, we provide that. Wi-Fi Alliance, we test for those. We also provide cybersecurity testing, and this is one service which we are working on. It will be up to speed very, very soon. So making the cars more secure. Our parent company, DEKRA, we do safety for the whole automotive. In fact, I would say right now we are the connected car show, but DEKRA is not only in automotive. They are in medical, they are in consumer, they are in wholesale, retail, so many things. So one-stop shop for any certification requirement.
It's a complex landscape in as much as, you mentioned some, whether it's an LTE module, whether it's Bluetooth, whether it's goodness knows what else, but the number of different countries as well. And it must be very difficult for your customers, I guess, to keep across all of that, but also challenging for you to make sure you're across all of these different technologies and the different regulatory requirements for those. Talk to me about those challenges and talk to me how you're able to help your customers keep across all of those and make sure that they do remain compliant, whatever it is they're deploying.
See, the regulatory environment is changing. It changes quite significantly when there is a new standard or the standard version changes. The authorities, they want to test maybe something more, and they say, okay, the standard new version is out and you have to test a little more of EMC or a little more of radio. So we have to keep abreast to the latest standards, which we do. We have a whole team. They work with the authorities to get the latest standards. We update our accreditation to those standards on regular basis so that we are able to test. If we don't have accreditation, we won't be able to test that. So that we pass on to our customers. We tell them, so your product is out in the market, but because of the new version of the standard, you have to do a little more testing to make it still compliant. So we have internal databases they have access to. They can see what they need to do. We tell them. This is ever changing. New technologies are coming. They're replacing old ones. So we have to be current to all the standards.
Okay, and finally, for now, talk to me about your clients who uses your services. I'm sure you can't name your specific customers, but what sort of sectors do you work across?
We work across different sectors. For example, in automotive, any tier 1 automotive customer, the OEMs, tier 1 ODMs as well. We work with handset manufacturers outside of automotive markets when it comes to that. We work with module manufacturers. These LTE modules, 3G modules, we work with them. We work with people coming out with their independent products that can be for automotive market or for other markets as well. So these are our customers.
Terrific. Ash from AT4 Wireless, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you so much.